Hey, hi, and welcome to the 5 Minutes Friday. It has been a long time, I know, but there have been a couple of things what happened in my daily life in which I didn't find the time to shoot more videos. Hopefully, I'm back on track right now. And today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna go from this over here to the same spot after I finish this retaining wall. Today I'm going to show you how you make a retaining wall by peeling foam board, scratching it, painting it, and all these kind of things. So hopefully you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So for this and for now, let's roll. Well, as you know, I'm still working on Mara's Harbor and the Cardigan Bay Coastal Railroad. And we have a piece of unfinished business where I want to put down a retaining wall. And I decided to make it from foam board. You know, this kind of stuff, cardboard with foam in between, where you can peel the foam, the card I mean, and hopefully can use the foam. So first of all, we need to measure. As you know, I'm European, so I work metric. And in this case, I need a piece of almost 4 centimeters, somewhat more than 1.5 inch. And it's around 56 centimeters long. That will be around 2 foot less a bit. So we cut it out, measure it, cut it out of a plate of foam board. And then easily try to peel it. I just do one side, it will be enough, and it leaves me the bare foam to work on. I do have to mention that I use Kapa foam board. There's also Canson. It's also pretty good, easy peeling foam board. And for the other viewers, yeah, man, I don't know really which kind of boards are useful for it. It's more try and error. For the rest, we need pencils. Just ordinary but soft pencils. I use 8Bs or 6Bs or something like that. Yeah, if they're sharp. And a pencil sharpener. You know, I do have this funny machine, cool. And we start to draw lines where we want our rock work. I mean our little precious stones. And then we start drawing, easy. Sharpening, drawing, sharpening, drawing. It's as easy as it looks. Try to find out the curves, you know, and cut them with a sharp hobby knife. And get on with drawing bricks or whatever you want. Don't forget the sides. And it will look like this when it's finished. We have to base paint it with a color. And I really like it as a material, this color, Straßenfarbe, concrete. Oh man. And I must say, this process is pretty easy. Just smear it on, dab it into the nooks, crannies, cravages of how you call it, you know? And then after it's dried, we start on adding color. I picked a couple of A.Mig paints because I like the tones, the colors. We have some ochre earth, some earth tones, a little bit of grayish blue. I will post all the colors in the description underneath. Oh, and after we filled all the cups with color, we add a couple of drops of water to thin it a little bit, just to let it flow better. And then we pick a brush, wet it a little bit, and start painting. And this is a pretty straightforward process. Just fill in all the stones you have with several colors, mix and match. Don't be shy, just make something out of it. And then it should look like this. And we think about the gaps, plaster, or how you call it in English. Well, I know it's called joints now, and we have to find some grout or something, what looks like grout. I was looking at real grout and I didn't like it that much, so I went on and found in my collection this acrylic paste, which looked pretty good, I think. So I started to fill up all the joints with this stuff. Did not forget the upper sides, although there will be something else covering this. And then after we are done with it, spray a little water on it because it's an acrylic paste, and we start cleaning it until we're satisfied with the looks. That's it for today, I think. There will be something more to do, but in basic I showed you how I make a retaining wall from foam board and colored it. Weathering will be another 5 minutes fry. So stay tuned, subscribe and like, and see ya. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.